Hi viewers, welcome to Sports Freaky. Now I can tell you top 10 programming languages for 2020. I will choose top 10 for that language uses and working for lot companies. Then people churches. That way I will choose top 10 list. So Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, lot of languages is in for top 10. So I will choose for lot companies work in this platform. Highest platform wise, I will tell you. You can see my top 10 list. First of all, I can pick Python because Python is an 27% uses popularity of internet is developed by Python and peak currently. If you know Python, you will easily get placements. If you want a tutorial for my YouTube channel Python related, subscribe my channel to watch videos. 27% users are working and using for Python. So this is the top level language and developed by popularity of internet in 1991. So I will choose this is the first of my top 10 list. Then I can choose second. Java is my second options for top 10 list program language because it is using for 21.3% users and developed by Sun Microsystem in 1995. It is used for developing for application oriented language. 300k it's like to 3 lakhs applications run in Java. So this is you can know why I can choose second options for today. The same concept of tutorial if you want see my channels. Then I can pick third most using language for JavaScript. 8.21% users are using it is and making for website and web developing applications creating using languages. Web-based applications are creating these languages, so I can choose JavaScript promotes web standards. It is API and standards are all documented in W3C. So it's a most important and peak coding. If you know a lot, subscribe to watch tutorial. Then PHP is an platform for fifth and current peak languages. It is an fifth languages. Fourth is an CS. Fifth language peak languages and 7.34% users are using and Laravel platform is an important for PHP. It's developed by Zen technology. So PHP also is a better options for you can study course or working platform. So and widely used web programming language. Next, my fourth option is an CS programming developed by Microsoft. It is an current peak languages for that time. But this last year 0.5% users are declined for this program, but it's also popular for fourth place before PHP. This language is developed by Microsoft. It is most important for you. Then CS is using for system oriented language and web based applications are creating for these languages also. Next my choice is sixth for C and C++, used for system programming. C and C++ is in sixth position. 6.23% people are using C language developed by 1972 and C++ language developed by 1985. C is an first and better language for that time, and C++ is an class used C. If C is used by class, it's called C++ developed in 1985. It's for a web-based and application creating or system-oriented language. So creating this one. And R language is used for statistics, computing and graphics. So this language uses is an statistics, computing and graphics only. Researchers and statisticians are majorly used this language because this is the not for important in all web based or web development or application creators is not for. It's only majority of people using for statistics and researchers only, because computing, graphics and statistics is only used for this language. So this is an wide language but not for important for beginners. Then Objective C and Swift, Matlab. These three is last my 8, 9, 10th place for majority for now. Objective C is used for Mac OS and iOS only. It is an developing by Apple in 1980, and Swift is developed by same year also, Apple also, but used for Linux, tvOS, watchOS, iOS, macOS. A lot of is used for this. These two is an important 8, 9 and 10th place is Matlab. Matlab is used for simulation, statistics, plotting of functions, data analysis and visualization. This point is used for Matlab. Matlab is a system oriented language, and commonly it is an app developing and project used for Matlab process, but it's an 10th level of my top 10 list. Otherwise it is not for important for compared beginners, but it's useful for project owned creating projects, and lot of search engines users using Matlab is best. Thanks for